Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss a problem on radioactivity. Here the question is 1 gram of radioactive nuclei with a half-life of 300 days is kept in an open container. Then find the weight of the nuclei remaining after 900 days. Okay, so see, this question came in the year 2017 in JAM Biotechnology paper. This type of problems are very easy to solve if you know some basic formulae. Okay, so first let us write what are the given informations. So first of all, given is the initial amount of radioactive nuclei, right? That is 1 gram. Okay, so N0, that is at time equals 0, the amount of radioactive nuclei is 1 gram. Okay, next is the half-life is given as 300 days. Okay, so the half-life is represented by T half, and its T half equal 300 days. Next, the time after which you are asked to calculate the remaining nuclei is 900 days. Okay, so T equal 900 days, and let us take NT be the remaining nuclei after 900 days. Okay, so you are asked to find the value of NT. Fine. Now here you need to know only two formulae. Okay, number one is N equal N0 e to the power minus lambda t. Another is T half, that it should be NT actually. So T half equals 0.693 by lambda. Okay, so these two formulae can solve this problem very easily. Okay, now you should know what are there. First of all, this NT, as I told you, NT is the number of or the amount of nuclei which is left after time t. Okay, this N0 is the initial amount of nuclei, that is 1 gram. Okay, this lambda is called the radioactive decay constant. Okay, and this is the time t, as I told you, and this is T half, that is half-life. Okay, so I should write it here, that initial amount and this is final after time t. Okay, now let us use these two formulae and let's see what we get. So first calculate lambda. 0.693 by T half, just this way, we are calculating lambda. Okay, so 0.693 by t half, that is 0.693 by 300. Now don't calculate it here, just calculate it directly in this manner. Nt equal n0 is 1 multiplied by e to the power minus 0.693 by 300 multiplied by t, that is 900. Cancel it out and you get 0.125 grams, that is equal to 125 milligram. Now why 125 milligram is required? See, here in the question you are asked to calculate the result in milligram. Okay, so here the answer is 125 milligram. So if you have any doubt regarding this solution, please let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share this video with your friends, and I'll upload more videos on radioactivity. And if you have any doubt about this formulae, please let me know in the comment section. I'll make separate videos on the basic concepts of these type of formulae and basic radioactivity problems. Okay, and for that you have to subscribe our channel. So this is all for today. Bye bye.